hope you are safe and you are fine at home. You are doing well. Now it's Maths lesson grade 2. Time for Maths grade 2. And today's topic is measurement. Subtopic is items of the same mass. Items of the same mass. We are going to use a beam balance to explain the meaning of that. As you look at that picture, you can see a 2 kilogram mass. You can see a beam balance and a pineapple. And the two things are balancing. That means a pineapple is weighing 2 kilograms of mass because that beam balance is balanced. That's why they are of the same mass. Let's look at the next example. We are given there. Another beam balance and a book. We have also some spoons there, and we are asked how many spoons weigh the same mass as that book. First, what we need to know, we need to count those spoons. As you can see, we have 3 spoons and we have 1 textbook. Both they are balanced. That's the textbook and the spoons, they are balanced. That means 3 spoons, the mass of the textbook is 3 spoons because the 3 spoons, they weigh the same mass as that textbook. So the beam balance, it's balanced. Let's look at the next example. As we said earlier, we measure mass in kilograms and grams. Now we have the next part. I can see a beam balance, an apple, and some spoons. Then I'm asked how many spoons weigh the same mass as that tomato. That's not an apple, it's a tomato. The mass of a tomato equals to dash spoons. For us to know how many spoons weigh the same mass as this tomato, we count those spoons. That is 1, you can count with me, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 spoons. So 4 spoons, they are equivalent in the same mass as that tomato. Try this exercise on the same by counting the items that you see. There's salt and some items there. I don't know those items, how many they are. You are going to count those items, how many they are. That is the mass of dash mangoes is 1 kilogram. You are going to count those mangoes. After that, you fill in that answer there. I'll show you a short video here about mass. You watch it. After that, you answer my questions. You give back for the marking as we prepare for the next lesson for maths. Enjoy yourself and let's meet next lesson for maths. Thank you.
Measurement. Mass, weight. What are you staring at, Starry? Oh, the things kept here. We are going to use all these things to learn a new concept in maths. But first, let us see what things are kept here. There is a weighing scale, a compass box, a block, an apple, a small blue toy car, a small red toy car, marbles, nails, a guava. Pencils. Now, Starry, we have to find the weight of this compass box. Which instrument should we use? No, we cannot use the span of the hand. We have to find the weight of mass of the compass box and not the length. I will show you how to find the mass or weight of an object. First, we shall take the weighing scale and put the compass box in one pan. Now, let's put marbles in the other pan one by one. Put the marbles till both the pans are balanced. How many marbles are there in the second pan? 11 marbles. So, Starry, the weight of the compass box is 11 marbles. Similarly, Starry, we can also use the pencils and nails to measure the mass of the objects. Let's do it now. What other object do we have? Okay, an apple. We shall put an apple in one pan and put the nails one by one in another pan. How many nails are needed, Starry? Okay, 8 nails. So we say that the weight of this apple is 8 nails. Now let us find the weight of the block with these pencils. How many pencils are needed to balance the scale, Starry? 12 pencils. So the weight of the block is equal to 12 pencils. Did you understand how to measure the weights of different objects, Starry? Okay, then can we measure the block with nails instead of pencils? Yes? Okay, then let's do it. What do you observe, Starry? Yes, the weight of the block is equal to 9 nails. Hey, but previously the weight of the same block was equal to 12 pencils. So, Starry, I am sure you have understood that if we weigh the same object with different things, its weight appears to be different. Starry, now it's your turn to find the weight of the apple. Hey, you are also going to use nails? What is the weight of this apple, Starry? Yes, it is equal to 8 nails. Starry, previously also the weight of the same apple was 8 nails. Here we have used the same things to weigh the apple. So, if we use the same thing to weigh an object, its weight remains the same, no matter who weighs it. Starry, let us now weigh the remaining articles. What article do you want to use to weigh? Okay, let's use marbles. We shall first weigh the red car. Put the marbles one by one. How many marbles are there in the pan? Yes, 6 marbles. So the weight of the red car is 6 marbles. Similarly, we find that the weight of the blue car is 8 marbles. What do you understand from this, Starry? Yes, the red car weighs less than the blue car, or the blue car weighs more than the red car. Let us measure the last article. It is a guava. Can you tell its weight, Starry? Okay, the weight of the guava is equal to 6 marbles. Thus, the weight of the guava and the red car is same or equal. Starry, now look at the picture given and answer the questions. Ram is weighing his pink bat using the nails. Can you count the number of nails, Starry? Okay, there are 15 nails shown in picture 1. So the weight of Ram's bat is 15 nails. What about Shyam's blue bat, Starry? On observing the picture, we find that its weight is 12 nails. Whose bat is heavier, Starry? Right. Ram's pink bat is heavier than Shyam's blue bat. Remember, Starry, many other small articles like flowers, beads, pebbles can be used to measure the mass of an object.